think. Another theory related to that, we talk about it like in almost every episode, the agenda setting theory, right? Media not only reports news, but also sets public agendas. We know that by now. So when mainstream media decides to spotlight cancel culture, it becomes a topic du jour, okay? And because we're talking about it, we're also co-creating the narrative. We keep talking about it. Either we amplify it or we resist it. Yeah, this cancellation du jour. Yes, trying to use those few French words, I know. Example, if you remember, like a few years back, the term microaggression was like huge. Yeah, it wasn't coined just yesterday, it was coined way back, and I did research just for you by psychiatrist Dr. Chester M. Pierce in the 70s, but only recently, like a few years ago, it resurfaced and spread like wildfire, right? Thanks to the media spotlight. And now it's more or less, if you're in the media part of your daily vernacular,